Yo, what's going on, guys? So, I know I don't upload in a while. I've not uploaded in a while, but here's a new video. I bought grips, which come with controller skin and a thumb grip. So, I guess it's 1 year anniversary. And I don't know what this stuff means, but yeah. Alright, let's get into it. Not the best package. It's made by Surge, so let's get straight into it. The best packaging, like I said. Hold on. That's a. I think it's just. This is it. Let me open it. Alright, so I don't know what this is. Sorry about the camera that keeps falling. Alright. Here's the skin. And it's supposed to come 2 finger cards. I think it's oh, that's right here. Sorry, everything went out of the camera. So they're right here. I'm gonna put them on my controller. And yeah, I'll show you guys when I did that. Alright guys, it is time in a 3, a 2, a 1. Boom. It kind of looks ugly with the white in the background, but I mean the finger grips look really nice. They feel really nice too. Yeah. But if you're gonna get this green thing, I recommend getting a dark controller color, or like a green controller color, because it does not fit white. But other than that, it doesn't really matter. So yeah, alright guys, I hope this could make up for me missing uploads for 5 days, because I can only upload on weekends just because of schoolwork. And yeah, I'll see y'all next time. Peace.